What is adverb? Okay, an adverb means an adverb describes the action of a verb. Okay, which describes the action of a verb is known as adverb. Clear? It modifies the meaning of a verb. ये क्या करता है? Adverb क्या करता है कि adverb modifies the meaning of a verb. Clear? Now write down the definition of adverb. Meaning of adverb. What is adverb? An adverb describes the action of a verb. Clear? Means which describes the action of a verb. Now next point is it modifies the meaning of a verb. It modifies the meaning of a verb. Like how he modifies the meaning of a verb? Like the child is sleeping soundly. तो sleeping के साथ means the child is sleeping soundly. तो sleeping के साथ soundly word भी use हो गया. Clear? Now she was dressed beautifully. So that beautifully is what? Beautifully describes the verb. Clear? So this is the general meaning of a adverb. So what is definition? What is the definition? An adverb describes the action of a verb. It modifies the meaning of verb. It modifies the meaning of verb. Clear? Now next, it modifies the meaning of a verb. Now next point write down. Sometimes an adverb may modify a phrase or even sometimes an adverb may modify a phrase or a whole sentence. Clear? Sometimes an adverb may modify a क्या तो ये phrase को means कभी कभी ये phrase को modify करता है, otherwise ये whole sentence को भी modify करता है. What? Adverb. Clear? Now next is adverb. Adverb answers the questions about how means manner, where means place, when means time, how often is frequency, or how much is degree, how much degree someone does something. Okay, someone does something. Now sorry, again listen carefully. What is an adverb? An adverb describes the action of a verb. It modifies the meaning of a verb. तो ये क्या करता है? Modify करता है meaning of a verb and describes the action of a verb. Clear? Sometimes an adverb may modify a phrase or the whole sentence. Okay? कभी कभी adverb क्या करता है? Phrase को modify करता है और whole sentence को भी ये modify करता है. Clear? Next, adverb answers the question. Now, which type of adverbs are there? Adverb answers the questions about how, manner, where means place, when, time, how often is frequency, and or how much is degree someone does or something. Means किस किस तरीके से इसकी activities होती हैं. Clear? Now, next is our kinds of adverb. How many types of adverbs are there? That is very important. So, write down. Adverbs are classified. Adverbs are classified into 6 parts. 6 parts. Adverbs are classified into 6 parts. Now, what are these 6 parts? You all divide this way, make table this way. Okay? So, first is what? Adverb of manner. First type of adverb is what? First is adverb of manner. Second is adverb of place. Third is what? Adverb of time. Third is what? Adverb of time. Clear? Fourth is what? Adverb of degree. Adverb of degree. Fifth is what? Adverb of frequency. And our last is what? Adverbs and interrogative adverbs. Interrogative adverbs. This adverb. Now, clear? There are 6 kinds of adverbs are there. First is what? Adverb of manner. First is what? Adverb of manner. Second is what? Adverb of place. Third is adverb of time. Yes, listen. First is what? Adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of degree, adverb of frequency, and our sixth one is what? Sixth is what? Interrogative adverb. Means adverb of manner tell us about manner, how, okay? Adverb of place tell us about where. Adverb of time tell us about when. Adverb of degree tell us about the frequency, okay? Sorry, how much, quantity, okay? Adverb of frequency tell us how often, and interrogative adverb tell us about the questions. Clear? So these are the 6 kinds of adverbs. Now we will discuss one by one, okay? So you all make this chart in your notebook, okay? You all write down in chart form. So adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of degree, adverb of frequency, and interrogative adverb. Clear? Now we will discuss one by one. Now first is our what? Adverb of manner. First is what? Adverb of manner. Adverb of manner. Now what is the meaning of adverb of manner? An adverb of manner, an adverb of manner shows how or in what manner action is done, or in what manner action is done adverb of manner answers the question. Adverb of manner answers the question how. किसका आंसर देता है ये? How. Clear? Now, an adverb of manner shows how or in what manner action is done. Means action कैसे और किस manner में किया गया है. Okay? Adverb of manner answers the question how. Adverb of manner में हमें किसका आंसर मिलता है? How का. Clear? Now, see examples, some examples. Now, like the child is sleeping soundly. So this is what? How child is sleeping? Child is sleeping soundly. तो ये क्या हो गया हमारा? This is called adverb. Okay? What is this? This is called our adverb. Next, she was dressed beautifully. Now, beautifully is what? Beautifully gives the answer how. How she was dressed? She was dressed beautifully. So, this gives the answer of how. So, beautifully is what? Beautifully is an adverb. Clear? I think you all understand this. You can buy fruits cheaply in this shop. What is the example? You can buy fruits cheaply in this shop. तो how का आंसर कहाँ से मिला है? From cheaply. Okay? You can buy fruits cheaply. How? Cheaply in this shop. Okay? Next. Our next example is what? The dog barked. The dog barked loudly. How? How dog is barked? How dog barked? Dog barked loudly. वो जोर जोर से भौंक रहा है. Barked. Okay. So the dog barked means what is the conclusion? In every example we get the answer of how. In every example we get the answer of how. Means how the work is done by the verb. Okay? An adverb of a manner shows how or in what manner action is done. तो ये हमें इन सारे एग्जाम्पल से क्या पता चल रहा है कि हाउ एक्शन इज डन. हाउ एक्शन इज डन. क्लियर? अगेन सी adverb of manner examples. The child is sleeping soundly. She was dressed beautifully. You can buy fruits cheaply in this shop. Or the dog barked loudly. The dog barked loudly. So this is our first part, that is adverb of manner. I think everyone understand this. Now next is our now second is our adverb of place. Adverb of place. Very easy. Where action is done. An adverb of place shows an adverb of place shows where the action is, where the action takes place where the action takes place. Adverb of place answers the question. Where. किसका आंसर मिलता है एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस से? वेयर. विच आंसर्स एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस गिव? वेयर. अब हमें प्लेस से ही पता चल रहा है कि हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? वेयर. वेयर द एक्शन इज टेकन, वेयर द एक्शन इज डन. सो एन एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस शोज वेयर द एक्शन टेक्स प्लेस. वेयर एक्शन कहाँ हुआ है? ओके कोई भी जो काम हुआ है वो कहाँ हुआ है, किस जगह के हुआ है, हम उस प्लेस के बारे में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. ओके एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस आंसर्स द क्वेश्चन वेयर. आंसर्स द क्वेश्चन वेयर. एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस आंसर्स द क्वेश्चन किसके बारे में बताता है? ये वेयर. ओके नाउ राइट डाउन एग्जांपल. द चाइल्ड followed the mother everywhere. So everywhere is what? This is adverb of place. Clear? This is adverb of place. Let us go out. So out is what? Out is place. Next, please come here, sir. This is also adverb of place. Next, I was walking nearby. I was walking nearby. So what is adverb of place which answers the question where? Everywhere is adverb of place. Out is adverb of place. Please come here, sir. Here is also adverb of place. And I was walking nearby. Nearby is also adverb of place. So these all gives the answer of where. These all key example gives the answer of where. So this is called adverb of place. It means where action is done by a person. Clear? कि person के द्वारा means person के through action कहाँ किया गया है? Where action is done. Exactly the where action is done. Clear? So this is our adverb of place. Now next is our third one is adverb of time. Third is our adverb of time. Now an adverb of time shows an adverb of time shows when the action taken place. An adverb of time gives the answer of when. Answer of when. Clear? Adverb of time gives the answers the question of when. Answers the question of when. Clear? Now, an adverb of time shows when the action is taken place. Action कब हुआ है? Okay? When the work done by a person. Okay? means when the action taken place. Clear? Next is an adverb of time gives the answer of question, answer the question of when. Clear? Now see the example of time. What are the example of time? I will be coming to your place. I will be coming to your place later. See you. So later is what? Later is our time. Tina will take her music exams soon. Tina will take her music exams soon. Clear? So soon is what? Soon is time here. Clear? The children are still playing computer games. Still playing computer games. The children are still playing computer games. So what is still? Still is time here. Clear? Next is what? Next, another example. The plumber started fixing the pipes yesterday. The plumber started fixing the pipes yesterday. Clear? So what is this? Yesterday is time. So what is the conclusion of adverb of time? Means when the action taken place. So you all see the example of adverb of time. I will be coming to your place later. See you. So later is what? Later tell us about the adverb of time. Clear? Tina will take her music exam soon. Soon is what? Soon shows the adverb of time. The children are still playing computer games. So what is this computer games? Computer games are, still is shows the time, okay, when the action taken place. Clear? Next is the plumber started fixing the pipes yesterday. Okay. Now the plumber started fixing the pipes yesterday. So yesterday shows the time, okay, when the action taken place. Okay. So this is our adverb of time. So today we discussed 3 parts of adverb of time. Now in another class, in next class, we will discuss our another parts, next part. Okay. So you all try to fill exercise of adverb also. Okay. So and you all note down this in fair notebook and divide all parts in chart form. Clear? So thank you. Our class is over today.